Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove payment method from your Facebook ad account. So from the Meta Business Suite here, you'll have to have a business portfolio first, right? Or a business account. Now from the business account here, you want to go to the settings section here on the settings here, right? And on the settings, you just want to scroll down. And then on the scroll down, you want to go to billing and payments. On billing and payments, just click on it. It'll take you to a new site. Now this is called business.facebook.com billing hub, and then this is your account URL. Now from here you want to go to payment methods. Now I don't have any payment method yet, but there should be a payment method down here, right? And then the way you can remove it is similar to the way Meta Business Suite work. So for example, here I have people, and let's pretend this is my payment methods on this site here, right? The way I can remove it is by clicking on this dot here, and then there will be a remove payment method like this, right? Again, it'll be on the billing and payment section here. It'll show up pretty similarly like how the people ones show up here. And you just have to click on the three dot and then click on remove payment method. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.